Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you all some of the best essential oils for losing extra weight. You guys, these oils work absolutely amazing in order to keep that body looking right. Make sure that you check out this video for some of the best oils. Now for what you guys are here for. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use toothpaste. Yes, I said it. Toothpaste for lightening up discoloration. I will be sharing with you guys exactly how to use it and the reason why toothpaste works for lightening up discoloration. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more, just continue watching. Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you a part of the Glam fam. I share a lot of amazing beauty hacks here on my channel, and it is my passion to share all of the amazing beauty tips that I know with you guys. So make sure that you turn on your post notifications and stay tuned for all upcoming content. And let's get started. So what I'm about to say in this video may sound strange to a lot of you guys. And I know that everyone is pretty much looking for a hack for this one thing, okay? This one thing, and that would be discoloration. Discoloration under the underarms and discoloration in between the inner thighs, knees, whatever possible places that you can get discoloration besides on your face, okay? Everybody's looking for this one hack in order to improve those areas. But what if I told you guys that the beauty hack, the perfect beauty hack for these areas has been in your home all along, okay? It's been looking at you and all that you do, okay? Each and every single day, you use this one thing, okay? Each and every single day. What if I told you guys that toothpaste is the #1 hack for this? What if I told you guys that this item that you use each and every single day to make sure that your breath smells minty fresh can also be beneficial for your inner thighs and for your underarms? If you don't believe me, let me share with you guys exactly how. Getting rid of dark underarms and inner thighs is an absolute nightmare, because 9 times out of 10, when the discoloration is already there, it's hard to get rid of. And dark underarms are one of the reasons why a lot of us ladies tend to have self-confidence issues. Dark inner thighs is another reason, okay? We don't want those areas to be dark, but because of the fact that they don't receive any type of light, they don't really receive any type of air, these areas typically become darker than other parts of your body. Now here's what you would need in order to improve this discoloration. Any toothpaste that contains baking soda and lesser amounts of fluoride. This is going to be beneficial for you on this journey to lightening up those darker areas. Let me share with you guys how to apply your toothpaste. Take the toothpaste and apply a thin layer under your underarms or between your inner thighs. You want to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. So today I will be using my Colgate toothpaste, and this worked amazingly for lightening up my underarms. I'm going to take a small amount of this and apply it directly under my underarms. Now I don't know if you guys can tell, but I didn't pick up enough product this first time, so I ended up picking up a little bit more. And also I'd recommend doing this before you apply deodorant, okay? That is another thing that I want to say. If you are someone who just freshly shaved, I would recommend not doing this because it is already a product that kind of makes the skin tingle and burn a little bit. So if you just freshly shaved, honey, you're going to experience some agony. So I just say wait a few days until your hair has grown out a little bit and then try it. So this is after I've rinsed off the product, and as you all can see, my armpits are instantly looking lighter and brighter. I'm going to continue using this because if you guys cannot tell, my underarms have been a struggle spot for me, okay? In terms of discoloration, honey, I have been through the ringer with my underarms. So I like to apply a little bit of Vaseline under my underarms. Y'all know that I love me some Vaseline. So this is the final step for me, and after this I will be complete. But I love to do this at night before I go to bed and rinse it off because I typically do not sleep with deodorant on. Y'all know that makes your underarms darker, so if you can go without it, I'd recommend going without it at night and just applying it during the daytime. But here are my final results, you guys. Now you can repeat this for as many times that you feel as though you need to. For me, over the span of a few days, I started to see results with my underarms. I was like, wow girl, this is really working, okay? And it worked very fast for me, as you guys can tell by the title. Now I know a lot of you guys may be going, well, how does this work, Maddie girl? We want to know what is the sorcery behind this? What is the science behind this? Girl, fill us in. The same ingredients that help with making your teeth whiter also help with removing some of the discoloration under your underarms and inner thighs. It's absolutely amazing, right you guys? I know a lot of y'all are probably going, I never would have figured this out. Now I know that this is going to be another common question. How often should I use this? You can use the toothpaste treatment up to 2 to 3 times a day. Pretty much every time that you brush your teeth, if need be, honey, put you a little bit of toothpaste there. But one thing that I will share with you guys is make sure that you are washing the toothpaste off thoroughly after you finish applying it, okay? You don't want to walk around smelling like toothpaste all day long, okay? Even though it's a good smell when it comes to your breath, it'll be a bit odd for your armpits and inner thighs to smell like toothpaste. I'm just gonna put that out there. It is an unusual way to lighten up discoloration, but trust me, it works. No, I'm not a doctor. No, I'm not a dermatologist, but you guys, I do definitely come through and share with you guys what works for me. And y'all can feel free to try it or to not try it if you please. And one thing that I always say is test the sensitivity in that specific area. Do a patch test, whether it be on your hand, whether it be anywhere else on your body. Just do a small patch test and see how your body reacts to it, because even though we can use toothpaste in our mouth every day, there's no telling how our skin will react to it. So definitely make sure that you are checking that out and making sure that everything is a-okay. And this is with pretty much anything that you apply to your face and your body. Girlfriend, you'll be on your way to some light and bright armpits in no time. I bet you this summer, girl, you gonna be going all out showing them armpits, honey. You ain't gonna be ashamed of discoloration at all. So you guys, it's very simple, it's very easy, and it's a great hack. If you learned something new from this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. Show your girls some support and love, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.